How to configure VLAN subinterface? Configure the router interface. So go to router, click CLI here in the dialog box, or type no and press enter. Type enable to go to privilege mode. Now configure this router G/0 interface. So go to global configuration mode by typing configure terminal. Select the interface G0/0, press enter, and make this interface up by typing no shutdown. And we don't have to give the IP address to main interface, only we will give IP address to sub interface only. Okay. Now select the interface gigabit 0/0.1 sub interface. Okay, and press enter. You can see here the interface sub interface 0/0.1 is up. Okay, now try to give the IP address. Default gateway, that is 10.0.0.100 and subnet mask 255.0.0. You can see here it is not taking the IP address because we have to run the IEEE 80.10 protocol. Okay, now type the protocol encapsulation.1q and give the VLAN number 10 or VLAN 10. Okay, now you can give the IP address to the sub interface. Okay, so I will give the IP address of class A, that is 10.0.0.100 and 255.0.0.0. Type exit here and select the other sub interface. Interface gigabit 0/0.2. Press enter. You can see here the sub interface 0/0.2 is up. Now run the protocol encapsulation.1q VLAN 20 and press enter. Now give the IP address to this sub interface of class B, that is IP address 172.16.0.50 and subnet mask 255.255.0.0. Okay, so exit from here. Now we will check whether we can communicate from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 or not. Okay, so now we will try to ping from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. We will check whether these different VLANs, VLAN 10 and 20, can communicate or not. Okay, IP address of VLAN 20 is 172.16.0.1. Go to PC here, type the ping command, ping space IP address of VLAN 20 PC 172.16.0.1. Press. So it is trying to ping. Just wait for a second. It will give the reply. VLAN 20 PC will give the reply. You can see here VLAN 20 PC is giving the reply. Okay. So this is how we can configure the sub interface for VLAN routing. Okay. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.